This is in the z direction. So along z ito. Okay? Now, in vector notation, this is represented by the directional vectors I, J, K. So ano po yung I, J, K natin? Just to give you a background on directional vectors. So ito po yung ating denotation na I, J, K notation. So I, J, K. So I, we have J, and then K. Okay? Ayan. So for your I, so this is determining the x direction or yung number mo na katabi ng ating I, so nasa x direction. And yung ating J naman po, so yung number na katabi ng J, so that is determining in the y direction. And your K, this is determining that your number na katabi ng K is in the z direction. Now, for some books or for some examples, meron din po tayo nakikitang AX, AY, AZ. Okay? So, para hindi na natin to i-discuss rin mamaya. Okay. So, take note po, AX. So, yung X po dito, sub-X po dito will determine your X direction. Your AY or yung Y natin dito will determine that the number beside this one is Y direction po yun. And yung ating AZ, yung number po nakatabi ng AZ natin will determine that that number is in the z direction. Okay? So, para po maging vector notation po tayo dyan, so, let us represent this as V, okay? V vector. So, kapag vector po, dapat may arrow sa taas or a bold letter, okay? So, para sa lecture ko, gagamitin ko na lang yung arrow sa taas kasi medyo mahirap magsulat ng bold letter. So, ball pen yung gagamitin natin doon. So, this is 2i, okay? So, yung ating 2 dito represents na yung 2 is in the x direction plus 4y. Okay, so take note po, y direction ito. So this is G. Okay. Then plus 4k. Ayan po. Or in AX, AY, AZ. So this is also 2AX plus 4AY plus 4AZ. Okay. So yan po yung mga different notations natin on vectors. Okay. So, take note po, hindi po yan yung tanong natin, okay? So, the question is this, okay? Find the length of the vector. So, when we say length of the vector, kaya hanapin po natin yung length ng ating vector 244. So, take note, this is reference with the 0, 0, 0 axis or the origin. Okay? So, from this one hanggang dito. So, kung i-visualize natin yung vector, ito siya. Okay? Hahanapin po natin yung haba niya from the origin. Okay? So, ito po. So, take note po, when we say the length, this is also called the magnitude. Okay, magnitude ng ating vector. Okay? So, denote na lang natin to as vector V. Okay? So, therefore, magnitude of V is only just, okay, parang nag-analytic geometry lang tayo. Okay, so this is equal to square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Okay, so lahat po ng mga x component, y component, and z component natin ay i-add natin siya vectorially. So that is V now is equal to square root of, so this is 2 squared plus 4 squared plus 4 squared. So therefore, what's your V? Equal to. Okay, so square root of 2 squared plus 4 squared plus 4 squared. So this is 6. Okay, so therefore the magnitude or the length, this is 6. Letter B po. Okay. So next, let's have number 2. Express in forms of the vectors of the unit vectors I, J, K of the force. Okay, take note po, i-express natin siya sa I, J, K. So which is having a magnitude of force which is 200 newtons. Okay, that's the magnitude. That starts at the point 2, 5, negative 3 and passes through the point negative 3 to 1. Okay? So, take note po sa vector analysis, mahalaga po ang direction. Okay? So, direction sensitive po ang ating vectors. Okay? So kapag baliktad yung direction, so mag-iiba yung vector mo. Okay? So dapat alam mo po yung ating patutunguhan ng vector. Okay? Take note po, ang binigay lang sa atin is the force, okay, and the points kung saan mag-start yung force at saan papatungo yung force. Okay? So yan. And masasolve natin ito using the general formula, okay, by getting the force vector that is equal to the magnitude of that vector multiplied by its unit vector. Okay? So take note po, magnitude times the unit vector. Bakit po tina-times natin ng unit vector? So because this unit vector here will give us the direction, okay? So which give us the direction of that magnitude, okay? So siya yung magbibigay ng direction dun sa magnitude, okay? But however, what is our unit vector? Okay, unit vector is what? So this is equal to your position vector all over your magnitude, okay? Magnitude ng ano? Magnitude ng position vector. So yan. Tingnan muna natin yung position vector, okay? So position vector. So ito po yung magde-determine ng direction, okay? So kung galing sa saan yung point at saka kung saan papatungo, okay? So take note po, point natin is nag-start sa point 253, okay? So let's call this as point 3 na lang po. And yung ating patutunguhan yan, it will pass through the point negative 3 to 1. Okay, so let's call this as point P. Kung iisipin natin or kung i-imagine natin, so from A, papunta siya sa B. Okay? So therefore, ano po ang vector notation natin dyan? So this is R, A, okay, from A going to B. So RAB. Okay? So paano po natin yan gagawing vector? So this is equal now to, okay, yung destination natin. Okay? So take note po, destination minus yung reference mo or yung starting. Okay? So starting point. Okay? Yan. So therefore, in coordinate terms, this is what? So RAB, okay, so from A going to B, this is also equal to RB minus RA. Okay? So, yung destination niya, kung saan siya papatungo, minus yung starting point. So, that's your methods or yung steps natin sa pagkuha ng position vector. Lagi pong destination minus starting point. So, therefore, this is equal to yung destination or kung saan siya patutungo. So, this is negative 3 to 1. Ima-minus natin saan? Sa starting point natin. So, this is 2. 5, then negative 3. Ayan. Therefore, what is RAB equal now to? Okay, so RAB is equal to, so negative 3 minus 2. Okay, so this is negative 5. Then, 2 minus 5, so this is negative 3. Then, 1 minus 3, this is positive 4. Okay, so therefore, your position vector RAB, kung i-convert natin yan sa IJK, so this is equal to negative 5i. Okay, so nasa x direction yan. So minus 3j, so this is in the y direction, plus 4k in the z direction. Okay, so after which, pwede na nating makuha yung ating unit vector. Okay, so position vector over the magnitude of the position vector. Okay? So, pwede rin natin siyang i-direction na dito. Okay? Ang mahalaga lang naman na kunin natin is yung position. Then, the rest will follow. Okay? So, let us try. Okay? So, your force or force vector will be equal to the magnitude. Okay? Yung magnitude ng vector mo, so this is 200. Multiplied by the quantity. the unit vector. But what is your unit vector? This is position vector over the magnitude of your position vector. Okay, ano po yung position vector natin? This is negative 5i minus 3j plus 4k. This is all over the square root of. Okay, kapag magnitude, that's the square root of, okay, 5 squared. So, hindi ko na isulat yung negative kasi ano na rin naman yan, magpa-positive rin naman yan kasi mag-square rin naman. Okay, so this is plus 3 squared plus 4 squared. Okay, so this is now equal to what? Okay, so unahin natin yung yung I. So this is 200 multiplied by negative 5 over square root of 5 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared. So, yan. Negative 141.421. This is in the x direction or I. Next is negative 3 po. So, edit lang natin yan. So, yan. So, this is negative 84.85. This is in the y direction or j. Okay? Next, 4 naman po. Edit natin. Okay. So, yan. So, that is 113.137. So, plus 113.137. So, this is k. Ayan. Yan po yung ating way sa mode 1. Okay? But however, pwede po natin gawin ito by mode 8 or your vector. Okay? Mode 8 po. Okay? Sa papaanong paraan, sir? Okay? So, take note po, kapag mode 8 yung gagamitin natin, so we will utilize only your position vector. Okay? So, position vector lang po. So, take note po, this is alternative solution by mode 8 or vector. Ang i-utilize lang natin dito is yung position vector na. Okay? So, eto, nakuha naman natin kanina. Ayan. So, ito lang po yung gagamitin natin. Okay? So, paano po pagamitin yung mode 8? Okay? So, ano lang po natin, mode, then 8. Vector. Okay, so magtatanong po siya ng vector. Okay? So, vector A, vector B, vector C. Okay? So, since pinakaunang vector pa lang natin to, so we will type your first vector po, VCTA. Okay? So, yan po. VCTA po. Number 1. Okay, so magtatanong siya ng dimension kung ilang dimension or ilan yung size. So 3 dimension ba siya or 2 dimensions? So 3 dimensions, that's IJK. 2 dimensions, IJ lang. Okay, or XY. So since 3 dimensions, press po natin yung 1. Okay, so 1 for 3 dimension. Okay, then after which i-type natin yung mga numbers. Okay, type the data. Okay, so this is your position vector. Okay, so yan. So dapat i-type natin yung number natin in order. Okay, so that is negative 5, negative 3, then 4. Ayan. So X, Y, and Z. Okay, so dapat ito yung makikita natin. Negative 5, negative 3, then 4. Ayan. So, after which, press natin lang yung AC. Para makagawa tayo ng operation. Okay, press lang natin yung AC. Okay, ayan, AC. Then, after which, ang gusto natin is force times the unit vector. Okay, so force or magnitude of the force multiplied by the unit vector. Okay, U. Okay, so ito, ano lang po natin, so this is 200 multiplied by, okay, So, yung ating vector is nakastore sa A. Okay? Take note po, ang unit vector po ulit is that position vector over the magnitude. So, we can write here VCTA, so divided by magnitude ng ating VCTA. Okay, pwede yan sa calculator. But however, sa calculator natin, see to it na ang pinakamagandang gawin dito is making use of your divide na lang po. Okay? Divide sign. Hindi po yung fraction sign, no? Divide sign po ang pinakamainam dito. Kasi kung minsan nagmamat error yan. Okay? So therefore, your force now is equal to, okay, so yung magnitude natin, 200 multiplied by vector A or VCTA divided by the absolute value of your VCTA. So take note po when we say magnitude also, so marami pong pangalan ang ating magnitude. So pwedeng magnitude, pwede pong length, pwede pong absolute value. Okay, pare-parehas lahat yan. Pwede rin pong modulus. Okay. So, yan. So, 200 times VCTA. Paano po natin i-declare si VCTA dito? Okay. So, press lang po natin yung shift vector. Okay, shift, then vector. Saan po yung vector na yan? So, vector po is 5. Okay. Shift 5. So, this is 4 vector. Okay. Shift 5. So, makikita nyo po yung VCTA dito. Okay? So, divide po. Divide sign lang po. Then, absolute value. Magamit na natin yan. Diba? So, shift height. That's for the absolute value. Then, i-declare ulit natin si VCTA. Shift vector. Then, 3. Then, close parenthesis. Ayan. So, it will show now the complete vector. Take ating I, so that is negative 141.42. So this is on the I direction, minus negative 84.80. So this is in the Y direction or J. Okay. So lastly, yung ating K or yung ating Z direction, so that is 113.137. This is in the K direction. So this is now in newtons. Okay. Ayan. So sige. Iyan nyo, picturean nyo po. Okay, so this is letter. Okay. So negative, negative, positive. Letter T. Okay. Yan. Part 1. And part 2. Then part 3. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. Number 3. If A and B are non-collinear vector, when we say non-collinear, so they are not lying on the same line, okay? And your A is equal to A is equal to x plus 4y times A, okay? Plus 2x plus y plus 1b. Then yung ating vector B, so this is y minus 2x plus 2, so this is A, plus 2x minus 3y minus 1 is multiplied by b. So find your x and y such that yung ating 3 times the vector A is equal to 2 times the vector b. Okay, mag-i-equal yan kapag 3 times vector A is equal to 2 times vector b. Okay, but how about this one? Okay, so nakikita natin is in terms of A. Okay, so imbis na I, J, K, so naka A at saka B siya. Okay, so parehas din yan. Okay, ibig sabihin lang yan, nasa A axis. Okay, yung mga terms na to. And yung ating mga kasama ng B, so this is in the B axis naman. Okay? So, blue lang ilagay natin sa A axis. Okay? And yung ating B naman dito, yung mga numbers niyan or mga coefficients niyan is nandun sa B axis natin. Okay? So, simple lang po yung gagawin natin dito since there are many unknowns and this is called just a vector quantity. Okay? Ang gagawin na lang po natin dito is by equating coefficients. Okay? So, equating coefficients po ang gagawin natin. Okay? So, parang naglalaplas lang tayo. Kunin lang natin yung coefficients ng A at kunin lang natin yung coefficients ng B. Unahin natin si directional vector A. Okay? So, yung mga coefficients niyan, so that is x plus 4y. But however, take note po, susundin natin itong, okay? Notation na to. Okay? So, 3 times yung ating vector A. Okay, so 3 multiplied by yung mga coefficients lahat ni vector A, okay, or no ating directional vector A, which is x plus 4y. Okay, so that is x plus 4y. Okay, that is equal to 2 times yung ating coefficients ng ating directional vector A dun sa ating vector B. Okay, so ito po. Ayan. So, this is y minus 2x plus 2. Then, simpleng algebra lang. So, this is 3x plus 4y. Or 12y, I should say. So, this is equal to 2y minus 4x plus 4. Okay? So, simpleng manipulation lang ulit ng algebra. So, this will become 7x plus 10y is equal to 4. So, this is equation 1. Okay? Same procedure yung gagawin natin dito sa equating coefficients for B. Okay? So, take note po, ito po yung ating general working equation. Okay? So, unahin natin yung ating vector A. So, this is 3 times A. Okay? So, 3 times yung vector A. Kunin lang natin yung coefficients ng B. Okay? So, that is 2x plus y plus 1 is equal to, okay? So, 2 times vector B. Pero, ang kukunin lang natin dito is yung coefficients ng directional vector B. Okay? So, this is 2x minus 3y minus 1. Okay? So, this will become 6x plus 3y plus 3 is equal to 4x minus 6y minus 2. Okay? So, ano mangyayari dito? Okay, transpose lang natin yung mga terms on the other side. Okay, para mag-mode 5-1 na lang tayo. Okay, to equation 2 unknowns. So, this is 2x. Okay, so lipat ko lang yung 4x dito sa kabila. So, 6 minus 4, 2. Then, yung 6 rin, ililipat ko sa kabila. So, from negative, magiging positive. So, this is plus 9y is equal to, okay, yung ating constant dito sa left side, ilipat natin sa right side, that is negative 5. So, this is equation number 2. Okay? Makukuha na natin yung desired unknowns natin, which is yung x at saka yung y. So, this is by using mode 5-1. Mode 5-1, 2 equations, 2 unknowns. Okay? So, this is 7, then 10, then equal to 4. Then, for the second equation, this is 2x plus 9y. That is equal to negative 5. So, this is 2 at saka negative 1. Okay? So, x is equal to 2, y is equal to negative 1. And that is letter A. So, highlight lang natin po. Ito, 3 tapos 2. Dito rin sa kabila, 3 and 2. Part 1. Then part 2. Okay, let's have number 4. Displacement A. Okay, so take note when we say displacement, that's a length with direction. Okay, or may reference ka. Okay, displacement A is 2 meters north. Okay, from the reference point, ito yung reference natin. So, papataas ka or magpapanord ka ng 2 meters. Ayan, so this is 2 meters. Okay, sabihin na lang natin 2n na lang po yan. So, 2 meters north. Next, displacement B is 3 meters south. Okay, 3 meters south. So, from the reference po, so, ito naman po yung ating displacement. Okay, so this is our vector. So, 3 meters, pero pa south siya. Okay, now, we are going to find the magnitude and direction of B minus A. So, take note po, B minus A. Okay, so it is just simply taking the lang po, okay? Taking the difference of two vectors, okay? So therefore this is B plus negative A. Okay? So yan. So sige, atin natin yung mga vectors na to. Okay, so this is A, this is B. Okay, so take note po for your notations and directions. So kapag po pataas, okay, so this is plus. Kapag pababa naman po, this is minus. Okay. Kapag pa-right naman po, this is plus. Kapag pa-left naman, this is minus. Okay. Yan. So, iano natin yung mga signs na yan. Let's consider those signs. So, therefore, this is equal now to 3s, okay? Okay, 3. So, negative 3 po. So, plus, okay? Negative of your vector A or 2 meters north. Okay, pataas naman yung north, kaya 2 na lang ilagay natin siya. So, therefore, this is negative 3 plus negative 2. So, this is negative 5. Okay, and your negative 5 here will tell us na this is pababa. Okay, so this is 5 meters. So this is south. Okay. Letters. So pababa siya. Okay. Next.